Hi kids, good morning, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. I hope your activities of yesterday were nice with you. Please let me know in the chat, my dear kids, before we continue, if you can listen to me. Please let me know in the chat if everything is fine, if you can listen to me. Please, my dear kids. And I'm checking in here who is with me. Let me know, let me check. Okay, I have Luis, Marijo, Thais, Saraí, Vale, Vale Serrano, Vale Ríos, Nati, Val, Mendoza, Jimenita, Gael, Roberto, Ana, Moni, Emilio, Gali, Ivana, Julie. Yes, okay. Thank you very much, my dear kids. In the case of the topic of yesterday, thank you guys. Thank you very much. We were saying that we were talking about modals of deduction. Can anybody tell me please what a modal of deduction is, my dear kids? Please let me know. Yesterday we were talking about modals of deduction, and in this case, let me check. Sarai, you are in there. I saw your name. So tell me, Sarai, what is a modal of deduction, my dear girl? Yesterday we were checking three modals of deduction. We didn't do any exercise because I wanted to talk to you about the project and of the people, right? So that's why I didn't tell you anything about this. Now tell me, what is a modal of deduction? A modal of deduction. Please let me know in the chat what a modal of deduction is, kids. Please let me know. Everything is fine. Thank you, Thais. Thank you, guys. Thank you, everybody. So, what is a modal of deduction and which are the modals of deduction that we have seen? Please let me know. Remember that we said that they are going to be four modals of deduction in the present because we also have them in the past, okay? But in the case of the present, that are going to be the ones to appear in the exam. Remember, all the people who has been here, next Thursday and Friday we're going to have evaluation, okay? So it's really important for you to be present in all the topics. So tell me please, moral of deduction, present. We have four morals of deduction in the present. One is going to tell you that the idea is like 100% true, that is real. In this case, it's going to be like the positive one. Then we have another one that is going to tell you that is negative, okay? I mean, 100% you are sure that this thing is not real, that is fake. And the other two are going to be related to actions that you think that are possible to happen, that may or not, maybe the 30, the 40, the 50% of possibilities, okay? So depending on the idea. Please tell me, which are the morals of deduction? Write in there, my dear kids. Are you listening to me? It's because, yes. It's because my line of the sound stopped, but now I see that it's working. The chat, which are the four morals of deduction? Okay, and it says in Anna says that it's may, might, may, must, and can't. Excellent, pretty good, Anna. Now tell me, all of you, write in there must, can't, might, and may. Excellent. Which one is the 100% real? Alex, no. Might, yes, that is correct, Alex. But could is going to be a moral of deduction in the past, my dear boy. And remember that today we are going to is present, Alex. Alex, could is past. Might is correct. Can't is correct. Must is correct. Just be careful because if in the exam you don't place the apostrophe, Alex, your answer is going to be incorrect. Apostrophe is really, really important. So be careful in that part, okay, my dear boy? Be careful in that part. Jimena, must is a 100% real. Excellent, Jimena. Ivana, must. So when you say, well, she must be the girlfriend of my brother. How did you know? Because she's wearing his sweater and he's taking his hand. So my brother says that no, that is just a friend. Now, she must be the girlfriend. You know, okay? Ivana and Raquel, yes, of course. Most excellent, Thais. Now, which is the one that express 100% fake, not real? Something that you know that is not going to happen. Which one is the 100%? But now in the opposite way. It means the negative form. Which one is that, my dear kids? Please write for me. Which is that? The negative form. The one that is never, never going to happen. Please let me know which is that. Let me know, please, which is that. Can't. Excellent. Right, Raquel, excellent. That is the one that is going to express, no, no way. That is not going to happen. Okay? Can't. Yes, Ivana. Please, can't. You wrote two times the apostrophe instead of the T. That is correct. Okay, Luis, can't. Excellent. And obviously, the two that are missing are going to be the ones that are going to express like the possibility, no? That is going to be may or might that are synonyms. Yes, Alex. Okay, now write for me something that today, you know that is not going to happen for real. Let's talk about the weather, let's talk about the school, let's talk about society, let's talk about any topic. Hello, Alan, good morning. Marijo, can't, yes, all of them are correct. The same, Ale, again, the apostrophe. If you don't know how to place the apostrophe, okay, be careful in there. You have like two little dots top in the one of the sheets in here on una de las teclas, and in there you place the letter. Well, you place the it appears with two dots and like a comma. Okay, you place that, and when you give the space, it appears. In the case that you don't know, but I don't think that you don't know, Alex. Okay, so don't forget the apostrophe. Really, really, in the apostrophe. If you don't place it, it's going to be a mistake. Okay, now tell me something, please, kids. Write in the chat quickly. What is something that you know for real, that you are 100% sure that today is not going to happen? Okay, please write in there. Go, my dear kids, because later we are going to go to do an online exercise, all of us together, and then I'm going to give you the time in order to do your pages early with time, and that you can be free of English like 2 o'clock. So, go, my dear kids. Go, go, go. One idea. I can tell you. No, no, it can't rain. It can rain today because it's so sunny, it's so clear, it's so hot today. So no, today it can't. It can't rain. Why? I'm sure. Look at the sky, and there is no possibility today that it rains. So it's not going to happen. I can't finish my activity late today. You are giving me information, my dear girl, but explain why. I can't finish my activities late today because I send them after each one of the classes. Okay, so it can be possible that your mommy says, Anna, hurry up because if not, you are going to finish late. No, I can't finish late today my activities because I am sending them after each one of the classes. So there is no possibility that I finish late, okay? Excellent. Anna, Luis, I think today it can be more than 8 homeworks, okay? Just a little mistake in here, Luis. You said it can't. And you are talking about homeworks, my dear boy. So remember that homeworks is plural. In this case, I think today they can't be more than 8 homeworks. Why not? Because we have just 8 subjects, 8 classes. So of course, if each teacher give us one homework, they can't be more than 8. Excellent. Just be careful about these little details, kids. What happens when you go to do a certification or an exam? These little details kill students. They kill the evaluations. They kill the levels. Because even you think that there's not a big deal, and when you read the idea, it sounds good. No, these are the details that the teachers check more when you are doing an exam, okay? Jimenita, it's something not possible, something that won't happen. Yes, that is, but I need an example, my dear Jimenita, an example in your thought about now. Okay, Alex, he can't run anymore. Look how bad he looks. Excellent, Alex. That is perfect. And then again, because I'm sending before the class finished and I have an hour free to make the things that are missing. Excellent, Anna. That would be the because. Excellent, the reason. Jimena, she can't come to the phone, right? She's like, okay. Pretty good, Jimenita. That you know that today is going to happen, that you are sure that today is going to happen. Make a prediction about today. What do you think for sure that will happen today, my dear kids? And the people who is not writing ideas, I would like to know why. I would like to know why. Marijo, you haven't written anything. Sarai, you haven't written anything, Vale. So all the people who haven't written anything, why, my dear kids? This is practice for the exam, my dear kids. We have exam next week. So please practice with your ideas. Practice your ideas, okay? Go, go, go. And in this case, we are saying that when you make a negative idea, let me get, Gali, I can't understand that much problems. I'm gonna ask for some help. I know, Gali, I'm going to tell you why not, my dear girl, okay? You are saying just, I can't understand that much problem. That is something that is for sure. Yes, I know. But you are not making a deduction of something. You can say in this case, Gali, no, come on, it's not possible. I can't find out the answer. No, let me check because the one that I am telling you is also information. But in this case, you are not making a prediction. You are just giving information about your problem or your situation with maths. Okay, you get the idea. You are not making a prediction about the day or about the class. Okay, it can be an easy. I have it. It can be an easy class today in maths because I don't understand the maths problem. So because I can't understand the topic today, it can be an easy class again. Okay, you are like predicting because you haven't taken the class. You say, I know that the class of today of teacher math of teacher Rafa is not going to be easy. It can be easy the class of today. Why? Because I can understand the problem. Just to get the idea, my dear girl, be careful because the line that divides a normal explanation that from a deduction is just a thin line. So you have to analyze information. Gali, the pandemic can't over quickly. Excellent, Gael. That is perfect. You are doing that. And you say, why, Gael? Because I have seen a lot of people sick yet, okay? They're continuous getting infected. Yes, Gael, that is perfect. Gali, okay, thanks. My pleasure, my dear Gali. So can you give me another idea, Gali, in order to practice, please? Marijo, I can't go. No one can leave my at your house. Is that okay? I can't go. No one can leave my aunt or leave me. Yes, you say that, Marijo. I can't go. No one can take me. Take me to your house. That is the correct. Not leave me. Is take me. Llevarme. No one can take me to your house. Is that okay? In this case, it's the same idea, Marijo. When you say I can't go, you are just like giving some information. Okay? We must have breakfast. Well, Thais, we must have breakfast. When you say that, my dear girl, we must have a breakfast, you are talking, Thais, about an obligation, okay? About an obligation. You are not making a deduction, my dear girl. If I tell you, If you come and tell me, teacher, we must have breakfast, yes, so hurry up. I am taking that as an obligation, not as a deduction that you are doing. Do you get the idea? This is kind of, you have to analyze information. You have to predict outcome later, not something that is happening in your present. Okay, the one of the maths, for example, it says, I know that I can't understand, but that is not a deduction. That is something that you are living in the moment. In this case, we must have breakfast is the same situation. You are just giving information to somebody else. In this case, it could be the one of, I can't believe you passed the exam. It was very difficult. Excellent, Amelia. That is perfect. Why? Because there is something that lets you know. Okay, you say, it's it was really difficult. I can't understand. I can't believe. Okay, that is okay. Please, my dear kids. Now, tell me a possibility. Something that you have the possibility, maybe 50-50, that it can or not happen. Okay, I can tell you, for example, well, it might be really hot in the afternoon, because there are no clouds in today. It might, but we don't know. Maybe later it's kind of cloudy. Okay, or I can tell the kids, it might be a good day for you. Why, teacher? Why? Because I saw all the teachers relaxed and happy. So any of the teachers today is kind of stressed. So it might be a good day for you. I am making a deduction. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Because maybe when another teacher arrives in here, they say, okay, kids, you haven't done the homework. Blah, blah, blah. So you get the idea? I'm just making a deduction. And there is a possibility because everything that I saw in my partners this morning, but maybe it can or not happen. Okay, my dear kids? So please now give me just one of these ideas in order you can go to answer your pages. One idea by using possibility. Okay? I don't know. Alex might enjoy the class of physics today. I know that. Well, chemistry. Alex might enjoy the class of chemistry today. I am thinking, why teacher? Because he loves that, and the teacher is going to make an experiment. So maybe he might. Why? Because I know that he likes, but I know that the teacher also is going to make this experiment. So it's a possibility. Maybe he's, no, I don't like that. Well, maybe it was my deduction because the information that I have from Alex and the information that I have from the class of the teacher. That is to make a deduction, okay? It's not something sure. It's not something that is happening. It's something that happened maybe it was difficult, okay? Very hard. I might go to a tournament just if the COVID traffic lights change to yellow. Mm, in here, yes, you are talking about a possibility. You are talking about a possibility. If you say if, well, yes, it could be correct. I think that it would be a little bit better, my dear Marijo, if you say they might, they might. You think that because if the COVID disappears or they play the green traffic light, maybe we can get the tournament. But it's correct, my dear Marco. Turn 2. Alex, it might rain, but I don't really want to. Ok, podría llover, pero no me gusta. No, realmente no quiero que llueva. Okay, pretty good, my dear kids. So, writing here, please, if you have any question. Please, write for me if you have any question related to the topic. If everything is clear, now go to answer your pages. Please let me know, my dear kids. Everything is fine? Write for me. Do you have any questions? Kids. Okay, so remember that I see you, the people that I told you, I see you at 12 o'clock, my dear kids. No question. Thank you, my dear kids. And in this case, I don't know if you see here, Sarai. Are you here, Sarai? Are you in the class? Take the screenshot by your kids. Remember that in the screenshot, it needs to appear everything that is in your screen, okay? And Sarai, if you are in the class and you are listening to me, Sarai, I need you to connect to Meet at 12 o'clock. Money also. I need you, Money, if you are in here. Well, I saw your name, but I don't know if you are really in my class. If you are in here also, Money, I need you to connect 12 o'clock in Meet. Sarai, Money, and the rest of the people that you know that you have to be there. Emilio, well, all the ones that you know, but it was missing Money who didn't get into the session yesterday. Thais, Marijo, well, it was Luis, Marijo, Thais, Sarai, Jimena, Gael, Ana, Emilio, Gali, Ivana, mm, well, I think that just them know in here, the people who appears in here. Okay, so please, my kids, I wait for you at 12 o'clock in order to do the break that I told you, okay? Thank you, Gali. Thank you for telling me. So, see you tomorrow, kids. Have a great day. Well, all of you, but the rest of the people, see you at 12 o'clock. And please go and answer your patient, my dear kids. Have a great day. Thank you. Bye. Bye, bye, bye. See you. Have a great day.